Hi everyone, I'm Arthur, your GCIT Ambassador. If you're excited about media, storytelling, global communication, and exploring new technology, I highly recommend the 2026 spring course. Global Communication, Cross-Media Planning, Production and Management. The class meets every Wednesday from 2:10 to 5 p.m. What makes this course truly special is how practical and industry-connected it is. In the 2025 fall semester, this course will feature guest experts from RTI and TaiwanPlus, experiencing real newsroom standards and production workflows. In this course, you'll also gain hands-on experience through field trips, studio practice, digital reporting workshops, interviewing training, news writing exercises, and cross-media storytelling sessions. You'll be guided by industry professionals, including Chris Liu from RTI and Michael Yu, Assistant Professor of GCIT, who will bring real-world insights you can't get from a textbook. Throughout the semester, you'll engage with senior correspondents and producers across radio, TV, digital, and social platforms. And here's the best part. For your final project, you'll create your own original media content, something you can proudly include in your future portfolio. Whether you're aiming for media production, storytelling, or cross-platform communication, this project becomes a showcase of what you can truly do. If you want a course that's creative, globally focused, and genuinely practical, make sure to register. See you next spring.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.